Hey guys, it's Melissa. I am at my desk today. We are in Silhouette Studio and I am going to show you how to curve text around a shape and make it stay that way. Did you ever try to curve text and then you remove the shape and then your text goes back to flat? Yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid that. This is really helpful, especially if you're doing things like templates that have a curved area and you're trying to figure out how did the original designer get it to curve and stay like that. Let's hop over to Silhouette Studio. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I am going to put the school up here. Now, this is where she says round your text around the curved line and then delete the line. I'm going to show you why that's not 100% correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick our text tool again, and this time I'm just going to type out Tesoro. And you don't have to put this. You could put whatever you want. You could put class of 2026. You could put go team go. You could put whatever you want. But this is how you're going to do it. And let's pick our font again. I'm going to pick another sport font. I probably wouldn't use them both, but I'm just going to do that so that for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, now what she's saying is take this and put it on here. What she's really saying is text to path. So you've got to double click on your name or your text. Use this little icon here and pull it down onto that top line that's above the basketball. And as you can see, it can cause a little bit of trouble getting there. So what it's doing right now, is it's going on the basketball. I need it to be on the line above the basketball, like right there. Okay. Now, if you just leave it like this, and delete the line, that's what's going to happen. And that's what she's saying to do. So that's why I said it's not 100% correct. Before you delete the line, you need to come over here and you need to say convert to path. Convert to path is going to freeze that text into a path, into the curved shape, and then it will not go back into the straight line when you delete the line. So make any changes that you want before you do this. So let's say you want it a little bit further out. You can do that. Let's say you want it further in. You can do that using this adjuster. Let's say you want the letters a little bit closer together. If you want the letters closer together, you need to come over here in the text style panel and adjust the character spacing. Okay, see how I'm doing that? Once you've got it how you want it, then you need to right click, convert to path, and now you can delete your line, okay? And then you can delete this text as well. And now you have your custom sports logo. And that is what you call text to path. So remember, the most important part there is to convert it to a path. A path is literally just a shape. Now, what you need to know is once you convert text to path, it is no longer editable because it is no longer text. It's a path. So once you finalize this and do convert to path, you will not be able to change the font style. You won't be able to change the size with the number. You can still adjust with the scaling tools, but you're going to have limited editability when it comes to text because now you have changed it into path. All right, guys, if you are looking for one-on-one help, if you're looking for more tips, tricks, and tutorials in Silhouette Studio, personalized same-day support, I've got it all in Silhouette U. I will put it all in the description below, and I'll see you soon.